This Young Farmers Challenge provides a strong message of hope and at the same time a strategic step towards ensuring our nation's food security. And to our young agripreneurs, congratulations sa inyong lahat. I am confident that your ventures will flourish and impact lives far beyond our community. And may this milestone fuel even bigger dreams, and may your passion continue to grow.
So I hope that this recognition marks the beginning of your long and fruitful journey in agribusiness, and stay committed, stay passionate, and above all, stay humble.
You are the catalyst of change. Not tomorrow, not in the future, but today. Naniniwala ako na ang kabataan ay hindi lamang pag-asa ng bayan, kundi pag-asa rin ng agrikultura. Susi kayo ng modernong pagsasaka at ng seguridad ng pagkain para sa sambayanang Pilipino.
Nakapag-request na tayo ng karagdagang 100 million para sa inyo ngayong 2025. Para naman kapag sinabi nating agripreneur, hindi lang ito pangarap, matagumpay na negosyo na talaga na kayo ang patunay. Kayong YFC ang magiging mukha ng ating agrikultura. Sa inyo manggagaling ang magandang pagbabago, kaya sa lahat ng kabataang magsasaka, tuloy lang, laban lang.
$500,000 is so big, and that will help us a lot in our community. Sa mga fisher folks po sa Bohol. So currently, I was able to help 3 municipalities po ng mga fisher folks. And because of this 500,000, lilipad pa ng lilipad si Blue Cross Processed Foods Manufacturing until international market.